want to know where I am right now, I'm walking on Horton Avenue. And this is a street that I used to walk on every day when I was in school, in high school. SDA is right here. This is the school that I graduated from, Seventh-day Adventist High School. And after I don't know how many years, because I graduated in 2002, it's 2022. You do the math. And I'm here today on the street. It brings back a lot of memories. I don't know what to expect. I didn't plan this, whole walk that's happening on this avenue right now. But it just happened, and I'm walking down towards my campus or my former school. I don't know what to expect. Like I said, I'm just walking away. I wish I would be opportune to enter the fence or allowed to enter the fence. But let's go and see. Many sessions on the stairway. This used to be a place. This used to be a place where we would come and laugh. We would run away from class, come and sit here. When we want to play our offering, we come gather right here too. Everything used to happen right here. I don't forget. So this man right here, we gave him a lot of trouble when we were here. He used to open gate for all, he used to close gate for all, like everything we beg you. So when we beg you, so he's still right here. That's cool. Okay, so nice to meet you again. Maybe I'll pass tomorrow. I will show. Always 16. Who the person wanna? Revelation. Okay. I mean, I know a lot of people here now. They're administrators.
You were 60.
60 still here. Wow. Okay.
But in wow.
Only two of you. Okay, that's good. Okay, so thank you, yeah? Like here? Higher school. Which school is it? Where is it?
Central.
And how is the system now? How is it going? I graduated from SDA almost 20 years ago. And I just came back to school awesome. Take care, yeah? How much is that? Okay, let me just finish my Kami una. I'm eating some boiled grumpy, which is fired up in my mouth. How was it?